In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in HubSpot like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or new to the platform, keeping your contacts organized is key to maintaining effective communication and streamlined operations within your business. So let's dive in and simplify this process together. First off, we begin by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily do this by entering the URL in your browser or using a bookmark if you've got HubSpot saved as a frequent site. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed further. This will guide you to the HubSpot home, the central hub from which you can manage all aspects of your HubSpot account. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is home base for managing your tools and exploring features. Unsurprisingly, for managing contacts, you'll want to find the CRM or Customer Relationship Management section. So go ahead and locate that within your dashboard and give it a click. The CRM is where all the action happens, and it's incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for you to manage your business's interactions with prospects and customers alike. Once you've entered the CRM, you'll notice an option labeled Contacts. Selecting this will bring you to the heart of contact management. Here you'll have an overview of all your existing contacts neatly presented in a list. Take a moment to browse through and get a sense of what your current contact landscape looks like. It's crucial to keep this page well organized and updated to ensure you have quick access to crucial client information. When you're ready to start managing contacts more deeply, focus your attention to the Actions tab situated above your contact list. Clicking here will drop down a menu providing several options for managing and organizing your contacts. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Manage Duplicates. This function is a powerful tool within HubSpot that automatically identifies and displays contacts that appear to be duplicates. Managing duplicates is essential for maintaining a clean and efficient contact database. It helps you avoid confusion and errors in communication that could arise from having multiple entries for the same contact. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering contact management in HubSpot. With a little practice, you'll find that this process not only improves your organizational skills, but also enhances your overall business operations by keeping your contact list clear of redundancies. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy organizing.